Hey there, welcome. Today's video is going to be an Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I have here our box for September. I'm so excited to see what we got this month. If you are new to my Allure unboxings, this is a monthly subscription service. It's $15 every single month and you receive some full-size items, some deluxe size items. So this, I believe, is the last box that is going to be curated this way. Going forward, I think that they are all going to be a little bit more pricey. I want to say it's going to be $25. I don't have all the information in front of me, but I believe it's going to be $25 a month and you are going to receive full-size items in the box every single month. I want to say it's like 5 or 6 items. I'll have that info for you guys like next month, but this month I believe it's the last month of being the $15. So let's go ahead and start. We have our little magazine here that has everything that gets in the box in here. So up first, let's go ahead and see what we have first. Oh, I actually just did an Instagram video on this. I could just try this out. So this is from Elemis. It's their Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I have the larger version of this. I did really like it. It's interesting because on the packaging it says with this one that you can apply it and let it sit on your face for like 10 minutes to really cleanse off your makeup. So I did that and it was kind of interesting leaving a balm on for that long, but I did like it. It worked really well at removing my makeup. So this is a pretty good size of it too. Like I want to say that you could get quite a few uses out of that one there. So we got that one from Elemis. I love how much skincare we always get in these Allure boxes too. I feel like they're really heavily skincare focused, which I appreciate. Another full-size product is one that I've tried before. This is from Wonder Beauty, and this is their Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This is another really nice one. I love mascaras that are in packaging like this because I feel like they're just so easy to like throw when you're traveling or anything like that. But it is a really nice mascara. I do feel like it does a nice job of curling my lashes. Really like that one. So that is a full size. Let's go ahead and see the prices on these items. So this one right here is going to retail for $24. So you're getting your value of your rocks right there. And then for the Elemis, the full size of the cleansing balm is $64 for the big one. Obviously this isn't the big like full size one, but this is like I said, still a pretty good size. And then the next product in we have is from La Roche-Posay, I believe is how you say that one. And this is their 50 Face Broad Spectrum sunscreen. So this is the light fluid sunscreen. And this one is just like a little deluxe size. So let's go ahead and pull this out so we can see. I'm guessing it's really tiny because from the looks of it, yeah, it's like really small there. But I feel like you could, again, get a few uses out of this one. And let's go ahead and see the price on the full one. And the full one is $33.50. So I say you could probably get maybe 3 uses out of this little travel one here. I actually went to Starbucks today. I never go to Starbucks, but I got this drink I've been seeing going around on TikTok, and it's actually so good. So this is the iced chai latte. Add the pumpkin cream foam on top. It's really good. I really like it. Or the pumpkin cream. I don't think it's the foam, just the pumpkin cream. I'm not exactly sure. When I ordered it, the guy was like, you mean this? And I was like, yeah, I think he'd gotten that order like quite a few times. But it is delicious. Highly recommend if you are looking for a new Starbucks drink. I don't really go there very often, but that was one that I went ahead and grabbed. Anyways, moving on. In our next thing, we have from NYX. This is their brush, and I feel like we don't get brushes in the Allure boxes very often, so this is exciting. And let's go ahead and see. The cost on this brush is $14, and this is their Pro Contour Brush. And to show it to you guys, here is what it looks like. And it's been a while since I've tried a brush from NYX, but it feels really soft actually. Okay, so up next we have this is from Waterless. This is their dry conditioner. So it says conditions dry hair to control frizz. I need that. As you can tell, I got very frizzy hair. So let's go ahead and see what that one costs. But here is what that looks like. And this is just like a smaller deluxe size of that again. And the price on this one, actually, I don't see a price on that one. It's just like right here on the back, they have a little info on that. So I don't know if that's just like a little extra item, but we're getting that we still have quite a few things in here. So up next we have the Twist Up Eyeliner, and this is from Allure Noir. And let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So here is the liner right here. I'll go ahead and give it a swatch. It looks like it's going to be like a purple, like a plum purple shade. That's kind of pretty. Something different. There is what that one looks like, and it's a smaller pencil, but it's not like too small. It's definitely full size there. And the cost on that one is going to be $18 for the pencil. And then we just have one more. Oh wait, we have 2 more products in here. I wonder if this is the $25 box. If it's not, then this is kind of like crazy because I feel like we got a lot of products in here. I'll have to double check. I'll leave it down in the description box if this is going to be the box, but I want to say I don't see any info on it being a larger box in here, but I feel like this is a really good box if it's not, because I see a palette in here on the bottom. So anyways, moving on, we have from Glam Up. This is their Soothing Aloe Texture Refinement Sheet Mask. And here is what that looks like right here. And it says that this will, it says Soothing Aloe. It doesn't really say right on here. Natural aloe extract soothes dry skin and provides intense hydration. So we have a little sheet mask there, and the price on this one here is $14.20 for 10. So we just got one of those, and then there is a palette in here, like I was saying. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is their Moonchild Glow palette. So I think we got this one, I want to say, a couple Allures back, or maybe I got it in a boxy term. I don't remember exactly, but I know I got this one. So here's what the inside looks like. If you guys haven't seen it, 6 different highlighters in here. Very fun, like iridescent highlighting shades. I feel like it's a really nice little palette, and really fun to get like this big of an item in there. I think the retail value on this one, I want to say it's like $50 or something. Let's go ahead and see if we can't find. That one actually isn't in here. Like, I don't have any info on that either. I wonder if this was like an extra item that wasn't supposed to be in my box. Like, maybe I got a really lucky one, because I do feel like that's a lot of products. Normally we only get like 5 or 6 like tops, and I feel like, how many did I get? So I got this palette, but it's not in the magazine. So I have 1, 2, we got the cleansing balm, and then we got the sunscreen, so that's 3. We got the Unleashed mascara, 4. We got the dry conditioner, 5. Then we got the eyeliner, which is 6, and I also got the sheet mask. So 7 things for the $15. Unless if this is one of the bigger boxes, which I don't think it is. I got really lucky with this one. Definitely, if you guys are gonna get this one as well, would recommend this one, because alone, I feel like the mascara is worth it, not to mention everything else you're getting. I will have down below the link if you are curious on signing up for Allure. They do send me these, so it's very possible that there could have been some sort of mix up there, but I'm not really sure. This is a good box either way. I definitely would recommend, even without the palette. I think with the cleansing balm and the mascara, I think right there is like worth $15 for sure for me. So anyways, I'll have it linked down below in case you are interested. Comment down below, let me know what you guys got. Did you get the palette in yours? I'm very, very curious if this was some sort of mistake, or if I just got lucky, or maybe everybody's getting it this month, because I do feel like we got that a few months ago. But let me know down below again what you guys got, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.